In today's video, we're gonna be talking about 3 different websites where you can get paid to chat with strangers. And so if you're thinking to yourself, Kevin, how do I get paid chatting to strangers? You know, my parents always told me not to talk to strangers. Well, first of all, it's okay to talk to strangers as long as you are safe behind your computer, like many keyboard warriors out there that love to spam nasty and mean comments on my own YouTube channel and plenty of others, right? Because in the wild world of the anonymous internet, we are all safely protected behind our screen and living in our mommy's basement. So in today's video, what we're gonna be talking about is how you can earn $400 or more per week simply to talk to strangers via your keyboard. And so let's jump right in. The first website that we are going to be reviewing today is called SiteStaff. And SiteStaff was actually founded in Colorado back in 2011. And so basically what SiteStaff actually does is they provide businesses with chat software, right? They provide chat agents that help manage their software. And you know, you can actually become one of those chat agents. So right now, you know, they're hiring